Bhavna, and I'm going to tell you about the future landscape of e-commerce. The future landscaping on YouTube embodies a dynamic fusion of technological advancements, evolving the consumer preferences and an unyielding dedication to innovation. This amalgamation ushers in an era where the act of shopping transcends more transactions. It becomes an immersive, personalized, and interactive experience. Technological innovations form the backbone of this evolution, from AI powered recommendation engines to augmented reality and virtual reality integration. YouTube becomes a canvas where cutting edge tools reshape the online shopping journey. Consumers now have the power to virtually try on products, receive tailored recommendations, and engage in live shopping experiences, all within the familiar confines of the platform. However, beyond the tech prowess, consumer preferences steered this transformation. The contemporary shopper craves more than just the products. They seek authenticity, transparency, and sustainability. Thus, YouTube becomes a hub where brands showcase their ethical commitments, champion the sustainability, and engage in the meaningful conversations with their audience. Consumers armed with information and awareness demand responsible practices, therefore reshaping the ethos of e-commerce. The amalgam of technology, consumer preferences, and innovation doesn't merely redefine how we shop. It redefines how we connect with brands and experiences. The journey through the world of online commerce becomes an immersive voyage where each interaction is tailored, every purchase empowered by information, and the entire experience shaped by a shared commitment to progress and convenience. As we embrace these trends, we collectively embark on an exciting, ever evolving journey that reshapes our relationship with shopping, connectivity, and the digital world. Thank you very much for listening to us. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel.